Hey, what's going on, miners? What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading with King, I guess. I wouldn't really call it trading, more like I lose all my money. If you guys want a for sure way to lose, keep following me. Today, we're going to be checking out Ping Chain. We're going to be looking at the new coin that RPM is going to be taking over. Just kidding. Oh man, I was totally gonna submerge something in like mineral oil or something like that and put like a RPM bathwater label on it and put it in there, but I just didn't have time today. Didn't have the energy for it. Would have been funny though. What's going on, everybody? Happy Saturday. I know everybody's been doing April Fools. I've been watching some April Fools YouTube out there. I don't have any April Fools today. Oh man. Well, I'll tell you what, if anybody wants to come in, maybe if you want to hang out, maybe talk some trading. But I guess let's go ahead and let's see how bad it's just let's just see how much I've lost so far. So let's go over to my assets. It looks like primary balance I am down $500. I don't know if that includes like previous things I've just held in my wallet though, but everything is kind of down. So it looks like SHIB is up 3.5%, but down overall. So I think I had $100 of this, so I'm down like $16. So not great, right? Cardano is down about maybe 1%. So not doing on look Litecoin though. Look, up 3.5%, man. Love Litecoin. Render down about 0.7%. So is this performance? I wonder if this is how much I've lost altogether. So I mean, look at that. Down $56. Man, that's not cool. Because that can't be right, because I don't have $41 of this. So yeah, I don't know about, is that just how much like it's moved, I guess? I don't know. Because I don't even have an Ethereum in here anymore. This is where I used to cash out at. Retro Mike said Retro Mike says, if it makes you feel any better, I spent 10,000 on hardware today. I've had some of those days before, man. Yeah, it happens. It happens, man. I want to rematch. Okay, you know what, man? I'm gonna tell you what. As the second StarCraft 2 champion, okay, you know, you guys got so wrecked last night with my siege tank rush. You guys didn't even see it, so get wrecked, Pran. Get wrecked. All right, there is no rematch. It, dude. I got so tired of moving my mouse and winning. I just had to let you guys win one. uh, what is that Ethereum at, Mining King? I don't have any Ethereum at all. That's why it says zero. It says zero. I don't have any Ethereum in here or anywhere. I don't hold Ethereum. I might have like a little dust for like, the parallel asset and Zelcore, but other than that, I don't. I got no Ethereum. It is gone. So let's take a look at some of the market, I guess. Let's see what it's doing. So Bitcoin is at about 22.5 here at Coinbase. Ooh, look at that, man. Doge is up 6%, dude. See, I like that, man. L7 looking good right now, man. Doge up almost 7%. I like that, dude. Look at that. Nice little pump up right there. Shib's up, LTC's up, Atom is up 2%. Anchor, I don't know this one. Solana is down. Not familiar with this one either. Not familiar with some of these. But here's that Blur one that came out a while back, and it was like a super like sketch coin. It's been, looks like it's up a little bit today. Look like it's kind of a mixed market. We got some stuff not doing so well, but some other things that are moving decently. Whoa, whoa. What is this? The heck is this? Hold on, hold on. Let's go back. It says experimental, which means it's brand new. So let's go back to simple. And for some reason, if you go to the simple explorer, it'll tell you about it. So this way, like I can like look it up. So I can like read a little bit about the what the heck this is an Ethereum token for the Jupiter project, which aims to make blockchain accessible and safe for everyone. Juniper's military grade encryption helps ensure that user data is private and secure. Through our elite encryption capabilities, Juniper can secure dApps on public and private networks. I mean, holy smokes. Up 11 and 112%. What's it been? Has it been even been out a week? Let's see. Let's go back 1 month. Okay, it's been out a month. Let's go back 1 year. Okay, so it's been out for a while. Oh wow, this thing's been out forever. 2017. Okay. The 1 year is down by 55%. The 1 month though is up by 45% because it was down here. Ooh. There you go. 1 week. It's on an upward trend, guys. What do you think, man? You think we should put this experimental asset? I don't know why it says experimental. It's been out for like 4 years or 5 years. I wouldn't call this experimental. I would just call it new. Oh, what's up, Ozzy J? What's going on, man? Got myself a 2080 Ti Founders Edition the other. Oh man, nice man. Those things are sick. Those are good cards. What do you think on Caspa? I have a couple GPUs on right now, and they're on Caspa. I just haven't had time to get a lot of my farm back on and do stuff, man. I've been really busy with like Terra and like a lot of stuff going on in my personal life right now. So, and plus trying to make videos when I can. So, I have not done a whole lot of mining, but I did look at though. I know this is like supposed to be a trading show, but if you're mining Nexa right now, I know it's super profitable, and I know some people are mining Dynex, which I won't get into that, but that's a rug pull, but that's just my opinion. But if you're gonna mine it, I would just sell it. So no, I'm mining Casper right now. Actually, I got like 25,000 and I sold like 5,000 just to turn it into Bitcoin. So retro Mike. Oh, you haven't put it on yet, Aussie J. Dynex is the real proof of useful work. I'm gonna disagree with you, Retro Mike, but it's okay, man. You believe in pigeons, so that tells a lot about you right there. So just saying. It is not the real proof of useful work. Yeah, if you guys want to call in, hang out, whatever. But let's, you know what, dude? I'm gonna throw this one in there. I'm gonna throw this one in the vote, man, because this thing's been like, I mean, look at that, dude, up 118% in the last week. Dude, that's super ridiculous. What's this? What's it? Dezo, man. What? I never, dude. There's so many projects out now, dude. I can't even keep up with them anymore. Heck is Dezo? Decentralized social. Decentralized social. Okay, what does this thing aim to do? Is a native crypto currency powering the decentralized social blockchain, a platform designed to support a wide variety of decentralized social media applications. Deso can also be used to purchase social tokens and NFTs. Oh man, no, I'm good, dude. I ain't trying to do NFTs. I can't stand NFTs. NFTs are not to me where they need to be. Like buying like the pictures and stuff like that. Like stuff they're doing with like the Flux watch and stuff like that. That's cool. like actual doing like assets and like maybe eventually doing like, like deeds to people's houses and things like that and like, like records and stuff. That is where I think NFTs would really shine, but all this art from people I'm good. I'm not paying for a JPEG, man. It's not happening. Yeah, I feel attacked. All in on the NFT. Proof, proofs of usefuls works. uh, okay. Yeah, I know, Retro Mike, but that's not the same thing. That's not what we're talking about. But oh man. All right. So I think I'm gonna do that. This one, the Jupiter one, looks pretty promising. Um, I think I got Litecoin last week, and I got some. I think I got Atom, right? I think so, right? Go to view all. Yeah. So, oh no, I got. I think it was Cardano last week. Yeah. So I got Cardano, and I got Litecoin last week. So, I mean, you can buy the same ones, but I'm trying to like. I don't know. I'm trying to spread it out, but maybe. What do you guys think? Huh? Did you get AVAX yet? No, I don't think so. I don't. Do they even have that on here? Hold on. Oh yeah, they do. I'm not familiar with AVAX. It's up almost a 0.5%. So it looks like, I mean, this one's kind of hard to read a little bit, but see this seems like resistance right here, right? So because it hits here, there. It almost made a support right here, but not it didn't. But then see, it's still kind of resisting this line right here, here. It looks like this looks like the support line here, here, here. So unless it breaks out, I think it would be better to buy it down here, right? At like 14.5 bucks. But maybe I'm wrong. I don't know, man. Well, so Iowa Crypto Mining says AVAX is a good one. Okay. He says the AVAX is a good one. Okay. All right. I don't know a lot about AVAX, man. I don't know a lot about a lot of other crypto projects. I'm just gonna scroll down and kind of look at some of these. I think we already did Algorand. I'm not opposed to buying more of another coin either. Like maybe this is a good time to get into something else. Oh, I mean, we never did like Ethereum Classic, so you could always buy ETC if it actually looks like it's on a little bit of a pump up right there. Yeah, that's true, right? That's true. Second CL mining. Yeah, you could use AVAX for my parallel assets. Yeah, in my Zocor if I needed to, if I had to like repurpose it for something. I have some SHIB actually. Aussie J. I got like what's that? 7.5 billion or whatever. It's like 80. I think I bought $100 worth, but it's not worth $100 anymore. It's worth like 85 bucks. So I've lost money there. Tizen says it's got a wedge. Price may move soon, but with the run up and the low volume for the weekend, I would guess it will drop, but that's just me. See, I'm thinking it will drop too, yeah. Does Coinbase have live peer? I okay, I've never heard of that one either. Let's go back to trade. You said it's what, live? Is this it? Whoops. Hold on, go back to I like the simple one because then you can like read stuff. Yep, it looks like they do. Over the last week, it's up 2%. Over the last month, it's down. How long has this thing been out? It's been out since 2019, so 3 years. All-time high is $100. Right now, it's at $7. So I mean, that'd be kind of maybe a good one, maybe to get into, maybe. So what is this? Let me read a little bit about LivePeer. LivePeer is an Ethereum token that powers the LivePeer network, a platform for decentralized video streaming. Oh, well, that's interesting. LPT is required to perform the work of transcoding and distributing video on the network while also incentivizing peers to ensure that the network is cost effective and secure. Oh man, dude, that's sounds pretty cool actually. So I'd never heard of this one. XRP Ripple. I actually have never had XRP. I know I don't watch it closely. I know that they have a lawsuit and it's like super big, you know what I mean? Like, do they gotta have XRP? I mean, like, I don't know why they wouldn't, but um hmm. Or actually, I don't think Coinbase supports it. I think they took it off. I don't think I can. Yeah, it's not tradable. I'm sure it's probably due to their court case. Okay, so I'm gonna consider that Jupiter one and that live peer that Retro Mike suggested. That's pretty cool. And AVAX. So we need one more, guys. Need one more. Come on, Iowa crypto mining, man. I want to hear a suggestion from you. Come on, Iowa crypto mining. I want to hear a suggestion from you, man. You're the new Hollywood movie star around here. Do it, Tyson. Tyson says, keep an eye on the big dog BTC dropping slightly on the 15. It's a small time frame, but I'm looking closer because price can grab on the weekend. I mean, yeah, if you guys want to do Bitcoin, I mean, I'm cool with Bitcoin. I mean, I was trying to like get us some other coins, but we could always do Bitcoin. So let's look at the hour. Hour, it's down. One day. For the week, it's up. Rachel Mike USDC, this guy. Yeah, you won't lose. I like it. It'll help me out, right? Right, Mike? It'll help me out because, all I do so far, I've just lost money every week, it looks like. It definitely seems that way. So, but it's all right, man. This is like kind of a long-term thing for me because I want to see by putting this to me like this smaller amount of money in all these other kind of random coins. I'm curious what it's going to look like once we're in the middle of the bull market. I want to see what this reflect, right? So I think it'll be cool. Polygon Matic, I do have some of that actually already. I thought we did that. Yeah, we got Matic. Yeah, I got Matic. Yep, I got Matic right here. I got 38 Matic. All right, so Iowa, man, AVAX. Yeah, I know. We already said AVAX. Iowa crypto money. I need a different coin than the three that we're talking about. We're gonna do AVAX, the Jupiter one, because that one's just a big mover right now, and the one that Retro Mike said. What was that? Oh, Live Peer. What? Are you trolling me right now? I never even. God, there's so many freaking coins. I don't know. I don't know all these other coins. You're trolling me right now, right? That's what the heck is this? So it came out in 2020. Holy smokes, $580 a coin. Holy crap. Now it's down to like under $100. The last week it's up 4%. Last month is down 10. Is a decentralized lending protocol part of the broader group of protocols known as DeFi that allows users to deposit crypto assets to earn rewards and to borrow other crypto assets against that collateral. Is a governance token. All right, trade pink chain. Yeah, man, totally. I would. And is going to take it over. It's going to be the RPM coin. All right, I got to make a poll. File coin. So we're starting to pull here. Today's choices. It's going to be that one that he said. AVAX. What was it? Oh, Live Peer. And that one that was a really big move there, the Jupiter one. So there we go. That's what's going to be for today. Filecoin. Yeah, we could just look at it though while we're waiting for the poll. I know it's like isn't that like a storage thing? I mean, since it says file, but I don't know much about it. That powers the file network, decentralized peer-to-peer competitor to cloud storage like Dropbox. Yeah. So this is something like that Flux is competing with right now, essentially, with the Flux drive. It's essentially what this is another competitor. How long has this been out for? Oh, now it's been out for a long time. 2018. Looks like in the other bull run though, it didn't do anything. This last one it did though. It pumped pretty hard. It's at like 100 and or 200 $237 it pumped. And now it's down to like $5. That might be another one to good to maybe hold on to. I mean, if you get a bunch of it for $5 and then it gets up to $200, I mean, yeah. Hey, have a good one, Craig. Have a good one. I mean, yeah, man, there's so many choices right now, when it comes to like looking at coins like down the future, you know what I mean? And seeing where they are right now and seeing where they were on the last run. Because I know, but if you look at the other run though, it didn't do crap, but it kind of came out then, but then it like really went good in the second one here. So yeah, Filecoin. Maybe we'll do that one next week. You think Jingle Mining's in on Filecoin? Really? Uh, oh wow, man. Okay. We only have 6 votes, man. I don't know how many people, 22 people watching. All right. Let's get up to at least 10 votes. Well, only 6 people voted. Need some more votes. Cast your vote, or else the Prans AAVE will win. His coin will win. let's go back to trading here. Let's see what else we got here. I know we looked at this one last week. Was it Arbitrum? Oh, see, it's down. It's a good thing I didn't buy last week. To see what it's the first, so I would have bought it. I would have bought it maybe here, which means it would only be up like 8 cents. But I mean, you could have sold it like here and you would have made like 15 cents. I mean, it's like a 10% move, but I mean, it's not that great. Retro Mike says that keep in mind that each run there are more and more coins that spread out the global market cap. At this point, I ignore all-time highs from 2018. Right, right, because yeah, there wasn't as many coins back then, and also I don't think the last, each run it seems like more and more people get more aware and get more involved in cryptocurrency. So yeah, it's really hard to go by previous all-time highs to what it's going to be this time too. But it's also going to depend on the interest of the coin, right? Like, so let's see here. We have 17 votes. Okay, Iowa crypto mining. I'm gonna end it here. 18 votes. We're ending it here. The people have spoken. Okay, it's going to be live peer. Is what I'm gonna say the majority of the people. That's what the majority voted for. Then it was AVAX, and then AAVE, and then the Jupiter. So it looks like we're gonna go pick up some. Oh, I'm gonna have to convert it probably again. God dang, because I got the USD. Always forget to do that. So what was it? Oh, live peer. Right, that's the list price. Convert. Yes, I know. Convert. All. Thank you. Always forget to do that. There you go. We bought some LPT. And never thought the day when we would buy a coin that Retro Mike suggested. I'm definitely going to be keeping an eye on this one. Definitely will be keeping my eye on it. Well, I mean, if you guys got some last minute questions, or like I said, I did post a link earlier if you guys want to join, call in, whatever, hang out. Sorry about doing the stream a little bit later than usual, and I think DJ's still going right now too. He was streaming, doing his DoorDash for a few hours. Usually go a little bit earlier. Let's see here. See if the order got filled through or not. Not yet. Well, man, only 35 minutes. Okay, like 34 minutes. Let's see. What's Retro Mike says? Spending KiiNG's money again. Yeah, man, doing the trading show, or if you want help losing money, like tax, you can consider this tax loss harvesting or whatever you want to call it. Retro Mike says, I suggest checking out their docs section. They develop a protocol that allows you to mine Ethereum slash Ethereum Classic and then use the core for rendering. Hmm, interesting. Yeah, maybe this could just be like a tax loss harvesting, kind of a thing, live. Because I mean, so far I've made like nothing. So it's just weird too. With the variety of this many coins, I would have expected that some of these would have done pretty decent, right? But it's definitely not the case. It's definitely not the case. You thought having a wider portfolio that you would think that you would just hit one. You know what I mean? Because if one was up like 40% or 30%, I would probably like say, hey guys, we should probably trade this out and go get some other stuff, right? But that hasn't happened yet. Yeah, this guy Retro Mike convinced him to buy USDC to bring up his returns. Yeah. Oh man. You're funny, Retro Mike. I appreciate the trolls. Appreciate the trolls, guys. I wonder why it hasn't showed up in my wallet here yet. Has the order just not been filled yet? No. I don't know if the order got filled yet or not. Maybe not. Well, guys, love it, Money King. Financial advice: getting best out of your taxes. Yeah, I mean, if you need some losses, man, this is definitely this is definitely could work for you. Maybe not financial advice, but I don't really have anything else today, guys. Unless you guys don't have any questions. I'm probably I'm probably gonna go hang out for a little bit. Maybe I might go play some Counter Strike. Maybe I'll hang out at Misfit Mining for a little bit. I mean, yeah, I mean, I kind of want to get a pre-search node, but man, I don't. I think it's like $400 now. I was like, man, when it was down and the bear market was like really heavy, I was thinking about getting some pre-search and doing a pre-search node because I think it's going to get paired. I think pre-search is going to get paired with Flux, right? Because they're like a decentralized like search engine, and I think they're going to use the proof of useful work to power some kind of AI, kind of like Chat GBT stuff through pre-search. Just my 2 cents. Maybe not. Maybe I'm wrong. But it would be cool. You're running 5 pre-nodes? Oh man. Man, you got 20,000 pre-search. Nice, man. That's nice. Nice retro, Mike. That's pretty good. You need to get some financial advice from RPM, man. No, man, he's a terrible financial advisor, man. You got to go with Max Voltage. He's much better. Wow, so a lot of pre-search nodes. Okay. Yeah. I think pre is probably going to get paired up with Flux, but I, I I know that that wasn't officially said, but remember there was hints at it. So yeah, I might run one of those. We'll see. In fact, I got like 2 whole servers sitting here at my house that they are literally not doing anything either. But the one I got from Geek of All Trades, I think I need to repaste those Xeons because those things they howl pretty hard and they're not like really doing anything. So I think I need to tear it down and repaste the Xeons. Oh man, what, you can't run the pre-search node on the same IP that you're running your Flux node on? Oh, they use the same ports. Oh man, that's doo doo. Man, what's up with all these guys and having like the humongous freaking 10,000 port range, dude? Yeah, I mean, I'm probably just gonna run mine on Flux. Probably just go to the marketplace and just run the pre-search node on Flux. Support the network. So that's if I was gonna do it or not. I mean, I could trade into it. I got enough stuff in my Zelk where I could trade into it. So I would probably just get it from the marketplace in Flux and just run it there. Well, I appreciate everybody hanging out. I know the show is a little bit, kind of went kind of fast today. I guess I can hang out for a few more minutes. Hasn't even been an hour yet. Guess we can go check out some mining, I guess. Has anybody even checked out like what to mine today, man? Like I'm probably need to start turning on my farm here because like I mean, even at the 15 cents down at Terra right now, if I ran just these few rigs right here and I mine this Nexa garbage, I mine this, that you can be making $30 a day. Now, I don't like doing Nexa because that one pool or whatever, whenever you mine, it like makes you wait like 5,000 freaking blocks or whatever to get your payout. Oh my god, dude, that's so, oh man. Waiting 5,000, it's like 5 or 6 days. When you have to wait that long, this profitability right here could just literally vanish. You know what I mean? Could literally vanish. I would I would probably do Radiant. You know what I mean? I would probably do Radiant. I might even solo mine it because I mean it's only at 15 terahashes right now. I could probably solo that. Yeah, I could probably solo that. That's a lot of it's quite a bit of hash rate there. So on there's the Radiant. How much would I have on there total? This is what's mine too, which lately I've been with the new coins, man, they've been really far off with those things. So it says I would have 52.5 gigahash at 7,000 watts. I think I can get that even less than that, probably. So yeah. So I would probably solo Radiant and you'd probably find quite a few blocks. This is about if well, I mean, that's not that bad. I mean, 49,500 is essentially an actual block of Radiant. So you could test this by solo mining for one day. And if you got at least one block a day solo mining, you could solo. Or if you got more than one block a day, then you're making out, right? So, because then you would profit $23. So, yeah, I would probably do Radiant. Casp was profitable, but just not as profitable, depending on your electrical rate. This is going by 15 cents, which is what we charge at Terra. But like, if you're at home, you're only paying a dime, 10 cents. It's looking even better for you. I mean, 30, $32, $40. But like I said, with Nexa, you have to wait the 5,000 blocks. So, I mean, this profitability could be gone by the time you're able to move your payout and get it to a freaking exchange and do all that stuff. So, I would do Radiant. It's much more. Oh, what's going on, D Miners? How you doing, brother? What's going on, Half Red? E300. Oh, isn't that the Caspa? Isn't that an FPGA retro mic? Yeah, there you go, man. Nice D miners. Yeah, I know. Yeah, yeah, definitely. Radiant, man. Only 15 terahashes. I was soloing this and finding blocks once a day. I think with 30 gigahash or less, and I was getting like about a block a day, so it was going pretty good. So Yeah, I would do Radiant. I don't really like Nexa, man. I'm not waiting 5,000 blocks to move my crap. This price here could change dramatically in those 5 days to where it's way down here, and this you can get paid out right away and just liquidate it. So me. All right, later, boss. Have a good one, man. Have a good one. Oh, nice retro, Mike. Yeah, I've been thinking about the FPGAs, man, but dude, they're expensive, man. They're expensive. I just, I just don't know if I'm gonna get into the FPGA game. I'm in the GPU game. I got one CPU miner. I got a couple ASICs. I'm like, I don't know if I need to get in the FPGA game. Not sure if I need to get in there. So yeah, man, mining's looking good for a lot of people. I mean, I wonder if Chump's profitable. He's like at what, like 24 cents or some garbage like that. I mean, even the boss is making money. Look at even at his garbage 24 cents or even a quarter, right? You're not making great money, but you're making money, right? You're making like $8.50 a day. So I mean, it's not great, but it's better than, like not having any dollars every day. So yeah, yeah, dude. I just don't know. I'm not buying any equipment right now. I'm being honest with you guys. I'm not buying crap. That L7 was the probably the last equipment buy for me on this particular bear run. I think that one was a really big expense. You know what I mean? Um, the only ASIC I have though that uh oh man, can't even remember mind the ASIC. Yeah. So L7, where's my dear L7? There he is. And I don't know what's it like 14 and a half at Terra, I think. I pay what everybody else pays, so make it $20 a day, right? I mean, that's not horrible. If I would have kept it here at my house, it would have been like $4 more. So yeah, I mean, it's still making $20 a day, dude. That's still good. So I like that. It's looking good. But I also have an S19 down there, which maybe I should be mining with that. Really, it's in low power mode. See, it says it's losing $3 a day, but that's going by I think the stock. Yeah, see, it's going by stock electric. So if you come back here to they have a calculator somewhere. Where the heck is it? There we go. Yep. No. Here. Here. It's like 80 terahashes at like 2,000 watts. Nah, I'm still losing money. Losing about 78 cents a day. And it takes me almost a month to get a payout too. I think the lowest payout you can get on a Bitcoin pool is like 0.005, I think it is. So yeah, it takes me like about a month to get just one payout of Bitcoin. Yeah, I think it's just a matter of time right now because you already got FPGAs and stuff like that on Caspa. It's just a matter of time before ASICs become a thing. And then GPUs will be phased out of Caspa at some point, I think. So yeah, I'm not making crap on my Bitcoin miner. I've thought about turning it off. Every month I'm losing like it's only 20 bucks I'm losing, right? I mean, if I sold. So it's more like I'm paying like 200 bucks out of pocket. So I'm probably yeah, I don't know. I might turn it off. I might not. What happens if I change this rate though? What if you just pay 10? Like if somebody had it there, if you had it at your house, you're at 10, then you're making, you know, I mean, you're not making a lot of money with an S19. This is an S19 J Pro, by the way. It's a 100 terahash model or 104. I can't remember. Um, but this is what it's doing, like 80 terahashes at 2,000 watts. So it's making a buck 30 a day, and it's making $41 a month. But yeah, the Bitcoin miners, they're not doing super good right now unless you got like just dirt cheap ass power. Clean clean coins. Yeah, some people like to have clean mined coins that have never been on exchanges. Yeah, that there is a market for that. I know that. So it does exist. So well, my half red brother says I should turn it off and buy it, and yeah, I mean, yeah, I could. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. I might, and this is unlike me, but I mean, it's going to really depend on how these S19s do in the next run. I have a really strong gut feeling that Bitmain's going to come out with the S21 or whatever the freak model because they had the, you know, the 17, 19. I'm just kind of following their name trend here. It's going to be the S21, and then, you know, Intel's going to have its, you know, ASIC out there, right? And there's going to be all these brand new ASICs coming out this next cycle, and I'm not sure how well these are going to do. And I know that the hash rate for Bitcoin has just gone up exponentially lately. So it's just, I know a lot of people have been buying up S19J Pros because they've been going for like 1,500 bucks used. So I'm probably the what I'm probably gonna do is I'm gonna mine until the peak of the bull run, or I might turn off and then turn back on when it becomes profitable again, right? We'll see. But I'll probably sell at the peak of the bull run and sell the machine for whatever I can sell for, really. So I think it's by the time the next cycle would come up, like not this obviously this bull run, but the next bull run, I think the S19s are going to be totally phased out. Unless you just have like a ginormous amount of them. But for somebody like me where I just have one, I don't think it's going to do anything for you. So you might be right there, half red. You might be right, my friend. Maybe buy it instead. Yeah, probably. It would be the smart thing. That's what Max would do. Is like, why would you spend this much money in electric and only make this much when you can just buy the coin flat out and just have more coin? I'm a miner, man. That's what I do. You know what I mean? I'm hard headed sometimes. So, but all right, guys, we've been going for about an hour. I'm gonna take off here. I'll be in Misfit Mining. I'm probably gonna go play some Counter Strike. I gotta go start my Traeger though, and get my chicken breast on there. I'm smoking some chicken tonight for dinner. Gonna have some like chicken salad with some dressing on it and stuff like that. So I'm gonna smoke the chicken though. So I gotta go start the Traeger, get things moving, and then it'll probably be time for Saturday Night Live. So with Misfit Mining. All right, guys. Thanks for hanging out. Appreciate it. I know we kind of got off the subject a little bit. We did some trading, and now we're kind of talking about mining. But mining is looking profitable, even at chump changes rate. People are making money again, which is nice. But for how long that this will last, who knows? Because all those people who turned off, all the people who sold GPUs, if they find out that people are making money again, the difficulty will go up, profitability will go back down. But all right, guys, this is the Money King giving you the most hashes, and I'll see you next time if I can turn it off.